Alrighty guys, so if you did see my last video on Project RJ here, which is Tunnel Chasers project, you do know I did get it, you know, running and driving, I guess we'll say, and I took it out for a little spin, but it didn't make it. So one of the things that I noticed with it was actually not charging the battery. So as you can tell, we got a brand new alternator tossed on there, and she seems to be holding volts pretty well. Now the other thing I did was it just had regular terminals on here, so I went ahead and made it easier to grab, you know, jumper cables or anything on here just in case we needed to, because I was struggling with that before. But I put different ends on it so that you can actually grab it and they stick out a little bit, and she should be good to go. So basically, long story short, I think we have RJ right where we need to get him, and Vince should be very, very pleased. Now, we do still have some of the wiring and things that we got to address and things like that, but if you guys do know, I wanted to make this thing running and driving before I worried about any of the cosmetic issues or anything like that. So get it fired up here, and we'll wait for Vince to come up, and hopefully he takes it out for a spin and actually gets to enjoy him. Oh yeah, you don't even have to play with the throttle anymore to get it to run. All right, Vince, get up here and have some fun with your toy.
It's rolling. I was a little afraid the brakes weren't going to work.
Oh no, we fixed them. That actually felt better than I thought. If it wouldn't have backfired right at the beginning there, I think we might have had a little bit of better.
You definitely took it out. Do you want to go over?
Oh, we're going over.
All right.
You can see him up in there. He's going back. He's going back. Stop! Dude, what if he went all the way up there?
That's working?
Yeah, it wasn't in. I pushed it up.
Well, that's weird. Now the rear's not working, but the front is. RJ's first drive in four-wheel drive. Take 97. The four-wheel drive is working.
Yeah, the lever was, I felt it pretty good.
Now keep in mind, so if you guys want to see the full upload and everything on this, definitely head over to the Tunnel Chasers channel. He's finally getting to enjoy RJ. Things are going to be great.
I know it'll make it, dude. I'm so scared.
Definitely check out Tunnel Chasers channel if you want to see the rest. RJ is alive. You just leaving it there? How about you put it in gear?
Just for a little while.
You didn't even put it in gear. Slide it up all the way. This guy jumps out with it in drive. Oh my god.
Dude, she felt strong.
Yeah. Yeah. She just got to warm the carb up. And we do still got to fix the fuel leak in the back.
Dude, it felt like if I gave it some speed,
yeah.
oh, it was going.
It was going for sure.
It also felt like it was going to roll over.
It definitely looked like it was going to. You kept coming this way, and I'm like, no, you want to go that way. Well, let's get her back down and try for some speed.
You go for it.
Are you going for it?
I'm going to back it up. Let you do it.
No. This is yours.
It's going to roll over when I jump in.
Put your seatbelt on it then. That way, at least
No one's around, right?
I have protection in this tree. This tree has protection.
It's a little nerve-wracking.
They call us. We did it!
Dude! You just hauled... RJ is a beast! Oh my god, dude! You just launched over that log.
Good job!
The fact that he did that
How did that feel?
is impressive. I was scared. I'm not gonna lie.
Did you cut it or did it just die?
It died. Yeah. Well, because when I came up, then my foot went wide open throttle, and it was like, nah.
Good job.
Oh god.
Helmet.
Holy cow. So RJ is now sitting the front differential and drive shaft just straight onto the tree. Like, I can't believe this is real life. I can't believe he crawled up here like this. Yeah. Well, I'd say that we had a little fun today. Stay tuned. Recovery mission, as RJ kind of did clear that tree and everything out that we needed moved, but he kind of broke the front drive shaft, so we got to get him out of here. And the only thing we got is the F450, so let's start yanking. Perfect. I was like, all right, if he starts failing, I got this much distance, and I was like easing it slow.
Dude, listen, I put it in reverse and it started going back. I was like, what's the problem? And it was going back, I'm hitting the brakes and I'm like, shit, that's a fucking 450. Like, shit is so fucking powerful. I'm like this peg thinking it was just rolling. I'm like, yo.
Yeah, I told you that truck is no good. I wasn't even four-wheel drive.
Oh my god, dude.
You want me to just pull it back the rest of the way? Just leave it in park, and I'll just
try to get in park.
Yeah, just leave it in park, but start it and turn the wheel this way. Just leave it, that's good, just stay there. I'll just pull it down over. parts about having so much weight is I can tell you where you're going.
I feel like molested.
I just yank you. I needed you this way. I yanked you that way.
Tug of war?
Do you really think it's gonna stand a chance? The fact that I'm still in two-wheel drive?
Honestly, with your tires, all I gotta do is get you spinning.
Yeah, that was two-wheel drive. I mean, one thing. Just watch in case it does try to go forward.
It's like a horse's dick, just like. Keep playing, there's a good chance it might just slide right back in.
Yeah, mainly just stay away from it. There we go. I told Danny, I was like, perfect. I'll get it running good enough to drive down to you, and then it's your project.
He wants it, dude. He wants me to like come film while it's being worked on and shit.
We were talking about the roll cage and everything.
Yeah. I don't think he understands, like when I said, like we were talking crazy and he's like, oh, it's gonna take me a long time. I was like, all right, fuck that. So then I said, how about we just roll the driver and passenger?
Yeah, but that's what he was saying to me too. Like, you don't understand how much it's gonna cost to just get enough piping to go around this thing.
No. On the inside, literally a U. You know what I mean?
God.
Just on the inside of the cab, a U shape. Like just enough to like, if it rolls over, like I don't need a fucking high speed like taking hit. Like I just, if it rolls over, it doesn't crush my head.
Yeah. You actually need seatbelts too, because
well, that's why I got the chairs.
that was a little. I'm not gonna lie, bouncing around in there was super sketchy.
I get the chairs and I have the harnesses. Make that work and we're good.
RJ is fixed.
Again.
Oh, there's that washer. We'll put it on the next car.
When it pops back off, I'll put it on again.
Yeah, well, when it pops back off, which I'm learning that the geometry of the drive shaft is a little bit off, but that's okay. When it pops back off, we'll toss it back on there. That's just a lock washer anywho. Yes, that was my homemade lift. A 4x4 or a 2x4. All right, now let's get RJ put away. Again. This is like the 5th time we tried to put him away.
What happened? Did you shock yourself?
No, I just freaking crushed my hand on this.
Oh god, now it's not gonna start. I'm sure we didn't need that. If it doesn't start, it's gonna be funny though, because you gotta fix something else.
I wouldn't even care. Fires right up, RJ.
Dude, RJ
wants to do cool stuff.
RJ wants to be a good guy.
Yeah, RJ wants to be with us. Those lights are for reverse.
Is it working?
So we got reverse lights, they're just on the dash. How epic is that?
God God. Who's gonna pass this thing for inspection? Yo, it's gonna roll on me. Watch.
I'm hanging hell.
Jesus Christ.
Now we're good. Now we got to jump it. Oh, that's all he needs is warmed up.
Well, you gotta fix them. We need the fuel leak fixed and transmission fluid, and it'd be nice.
The fact that it's still running with a hole in the pan.
We should probably cut it so we don't break the name. I don't want to buy a transmission.
They're cheap.
So what? RJ does not need another $300 in it.
No, you're done with it? You don't want to?
No, I just want to destroy it before I keep putting money in it.
Well, there you have it, guys. So we got a couple more things we got to figure out here, and then as you did hear, it is going down to Danny's Slow Restoration Shop. He is going to fab up some kind of exo cage inside here and a roll bar and things like that so that Vince feels safe. So as you can tell, Vince is a little scared of it right now, but it is, you know, it's a project. I'm not scared of projects. I like to get out here and rock and roll and have some fun. So as you can tell, Vince had some fun, but he was definitely a little nerve-wracking about it. But I get it, you know, nobody wants to really be unsafe about some things. Me, I just send it. That's how I got the name. So again, guys, if you like the content, please smash that like button, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next upload. And look at the fox. Look at the fox right there. Literally, there's a fox. How cool is that? Do I get out, or is he gonna attack me? Look at the fox. How cool is that? It's like he's like part of the family. Goodbye, little friend.